We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
The NutriNinja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something great for people on the go. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending those smaller individual morning smoothies, protein shakes, or other blended beverages to go. The single-serve blender with travel lid is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 14-ounce individual-sized jar means you can stop cleaning those larger blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's simple and easy to store and clean. For compact storage, the jar stores upside down and the cord wraps around the base. It has a powerful 175-watt motor with stainless steel blades, so it can easily blend fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes, and it takes up very little cabinet space. There's one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button and blend. And best of all, the 14-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach lets you leave your big blender in the cabinet and easily make and take your single-serving sized smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.